Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. In this video, I'll show you simple and quick ways to hide apps on your iPhone. No third-party apps required, without wasting your time. Let's get started. You just simply press the finger on the app you want to hide. Now this pop-up appears. Now click on third option, required Face ID. Now click on second option. Now click on hide button. As you can see, your app is hide. But you don't worry. I will tell you where your app is hide. Go to the app library. Scroll up. Here you see the hidden section. Click here. Now you can see your app is here. If you want to unhide, press on the app. Again, same menu appears. Now click on second option. Now you can see your app is unhide. You see your app does not appear on your main screen. Simply search our app in App Library. Your app is here.